What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to swap Ethereum to USDC in Phantom Wallet. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly do so? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the Phantom Wallet. And from here, we want to go and choose the option here that says swap at the very top here. So you have receive, send, and buy, and swap. Let's go and click on swap. Now we have two fields that we need to fill out. That is the you pay and you receive section. Now since we want to swap from Ethereum to USDC, we want to choose the you pay section as Ethereum and the you receive section as USDC. So let's go and click on the you pay section first, and we want to search for Ethereum. Now again, what you need to do here is you want to make sure that you're using the correct chain. Now in my case, maybe I want to use the Polygon chain here. Now from here, you want to go and choose your Ethereum. Let's go and choose that one. And in here, you want to go to your you receive section. Let's go and click on it. And we want to search for USDC. Again, make sure you choose the correct chain here. And since we're transferring on the same chain, the fees or network fees are going to be tolerable. But if you're going to transfer to a different chain, like for example, you want to transfer it to the Solana chain or Ethereum chain, the fees are going to be really big. So be prepared for that. But yeah, so in this case, what we need to do is we need to search for USDC. So you can type at the very top here, USDC, and go and choose that, and just specify the amount that you want to send. So for example, maybe I want to send like 0.00083. So this is just an example that maybe I want to send. So you can also send like the whole amount just in case, like if you want to, but you might not have the enough of funds for it. But let's go and choose the appropriate one here. But yeah, so in this case, once you're sure, what we need to do is we just need to click on the swap now button at the very bottom, but make sure to review the price, the fees, the price in fact, and the steppage here. Let's go and click on swap now. Now, the swapping process might take a while, but usually just takes like a few seconds. You should be able to see the swap notification at the very top here once the process is complete. Now, once the process is complete, you can just basically view your homepage here. As you can see, it's now complete. And from here, just reload your page, and you should be able to see the value for it. So in this case, you should be able to see your USDC here now available. So we have the USD coin here in the Polygon chain, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.